She Empowerment Global and Julbert Beauty Care supports women in beauty industry. On Thursday the 10th of October 2024, Ghanaian women in the beauty industry benefited from both a workshop and donations from She Empowerment Global and Julbert Beauty Care respectively. Beauticians from all walks of life and different organizations gathered at the Christ the King Catholic Church auditorium as early as 8 a.m. to register and be part of this great seminar. The CEO of She Empowerment Global alongside her board donated $250 to the beautician and also promised to support some of them based on the questionnaires they fill. There was also a breast cancer awareness education at the genesis of the program with Madam.vida, a breast cancer awareness ambassador. She gave medical advice and education on how women can prevent breast cancer.
So if he was paying attention, he would have noticed. Because you and I, we wear black, blue, violet, colors, bracelets. So if the distrust gets into it, you wouldn't know. Now because we sleep naked, your bedsheet can be dreaming. Suppose it doesn't drip in your bedsheet, it can drip on your body. Those of us with pink background, pink one, it can drop something. You wouldn't even know where it's coming from. So be very attentive to that. And when a man feels something, getting up on the seat is very necessary. So that tomorrow to Wednesday she can be something. Thank you.
According to Madam Patricia Adams-Williams, CEO of She Empowerment Global, she was very happy to see hard-working Ghanaian women in the beauty industry.
Well, I've always been a giver because I truly believe that when you give, you receive. So that has been one of the things that I've been doing all my life. One of the things I also know is that we had the Beauticians Association here. So the purpose of giving the door prizes, we had vendors on the outside. So as the women left, they were able to purchase items from the vendors. So it's a circle of economic wealth that we're trying to build within the industry.
Also, she believes Ghana is a good place to live and she feels very comfortable and welcoming.
I will be here for 3 weeks and it probably will be hard for me to leave because you guys are so welcoming within the country. And I think that we all need to have an understanding within the diaspora where we come from. And so for me, this is home. And so as much as I can learn about Ghana, the more I want to be here in Ghana.
Madam Ernestina Alandu, a Ghanaian banker who is the country manager for She Empowerment Global, spoke about the mission and vision of the foundation and how they intend to support Ghanaian women, especially between the ages of 18 to 35 years age bracket.
My firm as a country manager, no, I think say Yanisu adi hunu na edisi ye nisono. Ye pese ye ne ema ewo Ghana ebom no. Me my firm de me hunu say ne ya achieve it because initially no me catch Mr. Ajimen say me pe ema 150 pe. But if registration na ekoso na Mr. Ajimen bisa say onkati registration na I'm say nam do don say nkwan. Enti wo de mom nkoso register na yenhwe enti initially no na enye venue ha krampo na ye fa say ye beye na ye hwe numbers na eba no na wo se ye pe venue a eso na ye hwe say de wie boy nso na wo se enya baabi a ebenya air conditioner ma aha ye ho ajojo ye so what you see enti no me hwe the way a man from the beginning to the end obia nsori anko nse program bi ho a obehu before mo be pon no na nkonya na ye empty. But me too many no me say program no ebo till the final one I point me who say e man no omani agi e na ye this way di hu na ye dey see any so no I hope say and I believe say omasum.
Mr. Albert Owusu Agumang, CEO of Julbert Beauty Care and a businessman, also advised the beauticians to be more professional despite the challenges in the profession.
I'm saying beauty industry is one of the challenging jobs. And Jumabia Enguchina Nemum no Omuyano, and Nima P in a womb. I was say Omuhu, and Nima P no Omufem, and T Obi a beautician, and any panel.
He also admitted that beautician is one of the most difficult occupations in the world, so parents and friends shouldn't underestimate and discourage their children or relatives from joining.
Say, Shemi. na se ofi se obi a nko school a ene ma no kosua ti a mpacho se wadwin kakra o san se ene mehu doctors a omo aba into the beauty industry mehu bankers a omo aba into the beauty industry mehu nurses a omo aba into the beauty industry enti se obeye beauty obeko beauty industry no sese ya na o se unim de o se unim ni awoye enti enyi sese ya no enye se wan ko school a sese ya akra no GHS before obeko ko GHS fo nyina no omo esua beauty industry no nema.
The climax of the program was from a gospel musician minister Beatrice Quay, who light up the place with a great performance. After her performance, she spoke to Foka TV and she expressed how happy she is to be among her colleagues and to perform her newly released peace song, Heart of Ghana.
Near good, feeling near good because sometimes easy say, wow, diem, Yesu Christo Christ or by nidium, nidia angelo. By since I'm media, etimia Jimmy, in fact, I am a nigism. Yeah. Due to Neomoke Kawa Hani, a course swing in a menyantias, say, with humility, all the young business, all the raising business, all the biao, over my humanity, a show woman. In fact, a beko swamo. Nearby or much train in na say Juma na wo yes, a workers na only or more Juma, and don't just say, apprentice in the pet, na so brand of wasi. And now work on a pet na so brand once a madam. By sometimes na twa say madam no nso timi ye den. E brand once kakra ma nkrofo na otimi ne ma oni omo ye adwuma na otimi ti omo sane e be ya omo betena na omo no wa ye adwuma ama wankasa wa adwuma na ye den akoso.
Finally, the program ended with money and item donations from She Empowerment Global to all the beauticians that attended the program and also to the Breast Cancer Awareness Ambassador.
Well, I wasn't expecting a donation, but this is for a good cause. This is going to save a woman from a chemotherapy that we are trying to support.